So in this video, I'll show you how to replace your ink cartridges on the Canon PIXMA TS300, and this setup applies to any Canon PIXMA TS300 series printer. And the first step in the process is to open this front compartment door. As soon as you do that, you'll notice the cartridge tray is now accessible. Now, removing the cartridges is fairly straightforward. I'm going to remove the black cartridge, which is to the right, and to do that, I'm going to push down to disengage the lock and then gently pull the cartridge out. And let's repeat the same process for the cartridge on the left, which is the color cartridge. I'm going to push down to disengage the lock and then slide it out. It's now time to load the cartridges. And to do that, I'm going to peel off this protective plastic packaging. And you want to repeat that for both. We also have to remove this protective sticker on the print head of the cartridge. And you want to do that for both cartridges. And we're going to start off by installing the color cartridge on the tray on the left, and you want to insert that cartridge with the electronic contacts facing inward. So I'm going to slide it into place. I'm going to slide it all the way in and then push it up to lock it. And let's do the same with the black cartridge on the right. I'm going to slide it all the way in, again with the electronic contacts facing inward, and then push it up to lock it into place. And let's close this compartment cover. And folks, that completes the process of replacing your ink cartridges on your Canon PIXMA TS300 series. And as I mentioned earlier, if you're looking to buy ink cartridges for this printer, I'll leave a link right below this video. Hope this has been useful. If it has, please give this video a big thumbs up, and please also consider subscribing to my channel for more reviews, unboxings, and how-to videos. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.